Hey everyone, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Bitcoin right here on Admirals. So the first thing that you need to do is go to your account, create an account, and if you don't have an account yet, check out the previous videos that I created with how to create your account on Admirals. And then you can start from here. Because what we're going to do right here is go to trade and then select right here discover. Then you will find right here a nice chart. And what we're going to do right here is we go here to the right part and then we click here on cryptocurrencies and there we select Bitcoin to US dollars. Then it will send us right here to the trading view supported chart. And then this is a massive green candle, but this is fine. And we want to buy. So what we're going to do right here is we can fill in right here for how much we want to buy. And if you want to fill in the lots, click right here on lots and then you can fill in with how many lots you want to buy. I click right now on the US dollars because I like it more when I can fill in right here the US dollars. So I want to do 1K, that is fine. We can create right here a limit order if you want to do that, or put a stop loss on it, or a take profit if you want to do on risk management. But from here, it's quite simple. We click here on buy. You will see right here the information for our transaction. So if you want to confirm this transaction, click here on confirm. And there we go. You have opened a buy position for 0.03 lots for this price. So now we do done and then we just bought right here or Bitcoin. So if you go to portfolio, you will find right here or position. So this is how you can buy Bitcoin right here in Admirals. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.